All right, boys and girls. So your job is to research and become the expert on the animal that you chose. So you need to look at the chart, and here's an example of the chart, and find your name, and then go to the blend space of the animal that you chose. So I'm going to pretend that I am Serenity. Serenity is going to go to the animal's koala's blend space. So she's going to go to her blend space, log in, and sometimes it'll automatically come up. If this shows, then you go to your colorful G for login with Google. Then you're going to scroll down to your A's and find your animal. Oh, here I am, animals, koalas. So you'll be watching this video and it's going to be on number 1. So you need to go ahead and after this video is over, click the next button, the arrow, to get over to the next video. If this shows, you open it up in a new tab. And if the video is not there and it's just a picture, there may be a tab that says video. So always look for the word video. So I'm going to press play to start collecting information about my animal. Let's look at the graphic organizer. I know I'm going to look for the description, what the animal looks like, habitat, where it lives. This is the picture of Earth to help you remember that. Diet, what food does it eat and how does it get its food? Here's a picture of food. And the most interesting facts that you learn that are not already on here. So I'm getting ready to push play. I'm going to look at the screen, I'm going to watch.
Big fuzzy ears, super sniffing nose.
Now I'm going to go ahead and press pause because I just learned that it has big fuzzy ears. So let me go to my graphic organizer, and yesterday you started your research and you should already have your animal typed or written at the top. So big fuzzy ears. I wonder if that's the description, what it looks like, the habitat, where it lives, the diet, the food that it eats, or the most interesting fact. I know that's a description. That's part of what it looks like. So I'm going to start my list with a 1, and I'm going to write big fuzzy ears. So now that I'm finished with that fact, I go back to my blend space. So here's my link, and I'm going to click this button to keep playing it.
Long claws. Put them all together and you've got a koala. Because these cute, fluffy animals look like a teddy bear, a lot of people make the mistake of calling them koala bears, but they're not bears at all. They are marsupials.
This is Arana, and she's one of our female koalas.
So I'm going to go ahead and press play, and I just learned another interesting fact. So I paused my video to stop it. My video is not playing anymore. And I'm going to go back to my plan sheet, and I'm going to write my second fact, which is that it's not actually a bear, it's a marsupial. So let's see, is that what it looks like? Its habitat, its diet, or an interesting fact? Well, it's not really about what it looks like, where it lives, or food. So I'm going to put that under most interesting fact. That's my first fact on the sheet. So I'm going to write a 1 and write not bears, but marsupials. Now marsupials is a hard word, so I'm just going to stretch it out the best I can. Marsupials. And I typed it the best that I could. I go back to my blend space. And when you're finished with the first video, this arrow right here, you go back to your blend space with the tabs at the top. Up here, look up in the corner, and then click the arrow over. And up here it says watch. So I'm watching this video. When you get to the last one, it says look and read. This one, there is no video. The last thing on your blend space is not a video. They are facts that you need to read. So become the expert on your animal and collect as many facts about the description, habitat, diet, and the most interesting facts that you can.